What's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here this question is asking a UK lottery prize pays 2000 euros at the end of the first year, 3000 euros at the end of the second year, 4000 at the end of the third year, and so on for 25 years. If this is the only prize in a lottery, 20,000 tickets are sold, and you could invest your money elsewhere at 10% interest rate compounded annually. How much is each ticket worth on average? Now, first of all, to calculate this one, first we have to calculate the amount. A is equal to A prime plus G AG IN. Here AG is arithmetic gradient series factor. Now A prime, that's given. Lottery price pays 2000 at the end of the first year. So that's the A prime, 2000 plus. And here G AG okay, lottery price end of the first year, 3000 at the end of the second year. 3000 mean 1000 increased, 3000 at the end of the second year, and 4000 at the end of the third year, and so on for 25 years. Each years we have 1000 increase. If this is only price in a lottery, 20,000 tickets are sold, you could invest your money elsewhere, 10% interest rate. So the change in price is 1000. So G is 1000 right here, and AG interest rate is 10% for 25 years. 2000 plus 1000, and AG 10% 25. This is arithmetic gradient series factor. And if you look at this one from the table, you will see that is 7.4580, and this is altogether $9,458. That's the A value. Okay, now the next thing is P. P is equal to A times PA 10% for 25 years. This is series present worth factor, and A we calculated, that is 9,458 multiplied by this one, that is 9.0770, and if you calculate this value, you are going to get 85,850.27. So the winning ticket has the present worth about 85,850, and to find out the single ticket price, you have to divide by the number of tickets. So this is going to be euro 85,850.27 divided by 20,000, that is equivalent to euro of 4.29. Okay, this is the one ticket price, and that's how we do that. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn engineering economics, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.